This is the guts of the little noisemaker box. Before I put it in the box, I wanted to show what it is. So basically, this is a little gem amp based on these designs. runoffgroove.com, and I added a little variable resistor for the gain and another one for the volume before it went into the speaker, and it's connected to this little the simplest little noise oscillator I could find, which is based on Look Mum No Computers designs, which also has a potentiometer basically to change the tone, and also I added a little optocoupler so I could feed in a control source, which is this. And I also added some lights on it because lights are pretty. And also look at this. Completely independent of the control. So what happens is I turn up the volume. It's already plugged in. Change the gain a little bit. Touching. There's a little LED to show. Right? So then and then the way you control is by dampening your fingers, and there's a sensitivity knob back here I can adjust this with.